Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. In our previous video, I've explained integral by substitution, which is normal solution. But this time around, I'll be working on integration, which is a trigonometric substitution. That one is more a bit advanced. That is, by the end of this video, you understand that part very well. Don't forget you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share our video, subscribe if you have not subscribed before. At this point, we have over 400 videos on our channel. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice and you'll be fine. Without any teacher, you are good to go. That is the aim. You can be anywhere and learn mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Okay, by the end of this video, you will understand this very well. Let's start. Now, when we talk about integration, I think I've explained it. There's a video of 1 hour video. If possible, is it 1 hour or less than 1 hour or greater than 1 hour? Just try to check on the video. That should be on the first video on the playlist on integration. Now, if I'm talking about trigonometry, take note of this information very well. The first one, if I have a squared minus x squared. The second one, if I have x squared minus a squared, and the third one, if I have a squared minus plus x squared. If I'm going to work on this thing, take note of this thing, this shape very well. Okay, the next video I will try to expatiate this, but that one is to be for year 2 and above students. That is very important. Now, what I will just do here, let x equals to a sine x. That's for this. While this one, let x equals to a sec x, and this one it will be let x equals to a tan x. Please take note of those things very, very well. That is what I want to be working on. In this video, there will be a lot of problems. Please just wherever mindful of what you are following, because I have to rub and rub to get a problem solved. Now take note of this very well, because I will be using this information to solve as many I can as far as this video is concerned. Permit me to rub the topic. Permit me to rub the subject also, because I have many things to do with the board. The board is very small. There's no amount is small. We want to buy a bigger board. We need your contribution. Please, no amount is small. I'm not begging for money, but if you give me money, I'm very happy at this point. Now, let's see this question. I have integral x squared divided by root of 9 minus x squared with respect of x. You are asked to evaluate something like this. Now, look at the solution to this problem. Is a question that requires solution. The first thing I will do is that I will look at the denominator. I will just say that let's my x, people have been complaining about my handwriting. Please, I have to make it bigger and bolder here. Now, x equals to, this is 3. It means I can write this as, let me show somebody something so that we'll be able to understand what I'm trying, where I'm coming out from. 3 squared minus x squared with respect of the x. Now, at this point, let x equals to 3 sine theta. Let s equals to 3 sine theta. Now, it means I can say that my theta, which implies my theta will be equals to sine inverse of x all over 3. Please take note of that. Sine inverse of x all over 3. I've told you at the beginning of the statement, which is the beginning of this video, there are 3 conditions which are vexed the left, and now on that, this is equals to this, and my theta equals to this. That's very, very, very fine. Now, the next thing I will do is that I can easily say that my sine theta can be equals to x all over 3, which is back to trigonometric opposite and hypotenuse. Please take note of that. Opposite and hypotenuse. Let me go on my trigonometry. Please, before you watch this video, make sure you are very good in trigonometry, because I'll be using a lot of things. There are videos for that, which is more than 5 videos on trigonometry. And go and learn it. First video will be okay too. The other video will be okay for you. Try to check it. Now, what I will just do is that I will have this as hypotenuse and x. With what is on ground, with the help of Pythagorean theorem, I will be having normally I'll be having here will be equals to root of 9 minus x squared. Yes, that is what I will have there. Now, since I know that, don't forget, if I'm talking about my cos now, my cos theta will be equals to adjacent all over hypotenuse. It means root of 9 all over, of x divided by what? 3. It means I can easily say that what? 3 cos theta equals to root of 9 minus x squared. Please, can you see my handwriting? I think it's bold enough. Don't forget all what I'm just so catois. So catois. Think of that. I'm now on car. Now, since I know that, I will now come to this part. Yes, I can answer that x equals to what? 3 sine theta. It means the x will be equals to 3 cos theta d theta. I'm differentiating now. Now, since I know that, I cannot continue. Please hope you are getting what I'm saying. I have to calm down and explain this very, very well. Now, since you understand what I'm saying, I cannot come back here by saying that integral of x squared divided by root of 9 minus x dx will be equals to, I want to substitute everything that I'm having here. What is my x? My x is equals to, it means I'll be having integral of 3 sine theta all squared divided by, what is my, I've been told that this is equals to this, which I'll be having 3 cos theta. The what? What is my d theta? The x is equals to 3 cos theta d theta. Now, by so doing that, you can see that this place, we cancel this place. Yes, that is what I need. Now, it means I'll be having integral of 9 sine square theta d theta. Can you see? Now, that is what you need to get. That is what I need to get. Since I know that, don't forget that back to your trigonometry, then, back to your trigonometry, I can say that, my sine square theta will be equals to, take note of this, it will be equals to 1 all over 2, bracket of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Please take note of that. Very well. Very, very well. I think you should know this by now. Try to, if you don't know it, try to check on our trigonometry video, which is, there are 5 videos on it. I can answer the integral of 9 bracket of, 9 bracket of 1 all over 2 bracket of 1 minus cos 2 theta, close another bracket, because there are 2 brackets open, the theta. Now, since I know this, I cannot continue by having, what can I do now? I think I have constant number which I can bring them out from the integration, which I have 9 all over 2, integral of 1 cos 2 theta the what? The theta. Now, it means 9 all over 2, it will be bracket of the theta minus, if I integrate this, it will be equals to 1 all over 2 sine 2 theta. Yes. Plus k. That is, yes. That is all about that. Since I have that, I can now come back to my normal things. I can now, if I want to open, I can open theta of 9 divided by 2 minus 9 all over 4 sine 2 theta plus k. I've opened the bracket, which is, there won't be any problem. Since I have opened the bracket, don't forget, back to your trigonometry, recall that sine 2 theta, which is, I'm now on double angle, it will be equals to 2 cos theta sine theta. That is double angle. I think I'm playing around with my trigonometry ratio, identity, double angle, and special angles and so on and so forth. Now, since I have that, I can now say that, can I put back here? It means I can say that my 9 theta divided by 2 minus 9 divided by 4, which is going to be what? This is equals to 2 cos theta sine theta plus k. This year 1, year 2. Now, which permit me to log the question. I have to log the question at this point because I have to explain some things. Now, since I have that, I can now say that, don't forget my theta. What is my theta? This is my theta. Don't forget, this is my theta. Since I know that is my theta, I can now say that it means I can say that my 9 all over 2 sine inverse of x all over 3. I'm working towards my x now. X all over 3. Now, that is the first thing I will do. And the next thing is that minus, which is my minus 9 all over 2, which, what is my cos? What is my cos? My cos, this is my cos. My cos theta will be, from here, to be root of 9 minus x squared divided by 3. It means I can say that bracket of root of 9 minus x squared divided by 3. Yes. Okay. What x? I close my bracket. What is my sine? My sine theta. Look at my sine theta equals to my sine theta equals to x all over 3. It means I'll be having x all over 3. I'll be having x all over 3. And what x do I need to do? Is that all? That is all. Plus k. That is my final answer. Normally, this and this will cancel this. I think if I should present an answer, it will be equals to 9 all over 2 sine x all over 3 minus 1 all over 2 bracket of x bracket of 9 minus x squared. Yes. Plus k. That is my final answer. Okay, you can see it's very, very nice, simple, and you have to take it easy and understand what you are doing. Now, before I end this video here, I wish time can permit me to show 2 or more examples. Okay, let's try to play with this question. I'll be fast on this part. You can pause anyone that is not clear to you, come back to it. But before you understand this video very well, you must be very good at trigonometry function, trigonometry. There are videos for you on trig, which you can check on them. You can check on it. There are 5 videos already. Check on them. Now, let's work on this question. Let's see how it is. There are one of our video that I watched. That will be video 3 or 4. No, video 3 on the integration playlist. Try to check on it. You will really understand integration very well. It's very lovely, kind. It's very, very lovely. Sorry for using that word. The question is very lovely. You understand the videos is very lovely. You see different integration problem that it will really be helpful to you. Now look at this problem. I want to solve this problem. How do I go? It's very, very technical and simple, but you must know what to do. Do you know that I can write this integration as integral of 4x, no, of the s divided by, oh, sorry for the noise background, because of some people are doing generator in the house here. We are in Nigeria where there is no light. Sorry about that. We have issue of light in this country. But that is okay. That is what I'm talking about there. Now, because of this, I think by now you should be able to understand that very well. Since I have that, I can now say that, note this, s squared, you must when you are dealing with integration, you must be very smart. Smartness is very important. Plus 4x plus 17. You know that I can write this as 4x squared plus 1 plus 17 plus 16. I can write that. If I can write that, I can say that what? 2x plus 1 squared plus 4 squared, which is, there's nothing for there, there's nothing. If I expand this, I will have this. That is what I want you to know. Now, I can now run to what? Integral of, back to this now, it will be in 2x plus 1 squared, don't forget the root, plus 4 squared, all roots, because there is a root from the question, which is this number. Okay, now since I have that, I've successfully do what, something very good, which I've reduced something, without any problem. I can now, what can I do now? At this point, I can now easily say that let 2x plus 1 equals to what? 4 tan theta, because there is plus and there is 4 here. That is back to what I told you that time. The function, which is x, equals to, but this time around, this one become a complete identity. I mean, they are compiled together, which is, you have to hold it the way it is. Now, since I have that, it means I can say that what? My theta will be equals to x plus 1 all over 4. Please take note of that. X plus 1 all over 4. Now, I will run to trigonometry also, which is, I will quickly run here. I put this as my theta, and we have twa, which will be 4, and here will be x plus 1. Now, x plus 1 here. Okay, I don't know this. Hypotenuse will be, I don't know, which it will be hypotenuse equals to root of, I'm now on twa. If you don't understand twa, you will not be able to get what I'm doing now, which is I'll be having 2x plus 1 squared plus 4 squared. If I should now, we're told that this equals to this. It means hypotenuse, which is it will be equals to, I don't need to even put it, which is going to be root of 4 times theta squared plus 4. Yes, squared plus 4 squared. Now, I think I represent this by this. Don't forget that. Now, since I know that I can now factor out 16 will be here, it means I can say that what? 4, root of 16 is 4. I can now say that 4 into root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan theta. Now, we're told that 1 plus tan theta, tan square theta. Don't forget that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Those things, they are, just try to watch those videos. It means you really understand. It means I can say that what? 4 root of sec square. It will be root of sec square theta. Yes, sec square theta. Now, since I have that as sec square theta, it means yes. Now, okay, sec square theta. It means I'm talking about what are we talking about? 2x plus 1 equals to that, which this we cancel this. It means I'll be having that, which is I'll be talking about just 2 dx equals to 4. If I integrate my sec, if I integrate sec, I will be having, even, don't let me put it as sec now. Okay. Now, I need to check on something. That way I may not be able to get something good. Just hold on, let me come back again. Because I discovered some things now. Now, since I have this, don't forget that I can return this as commutative. I can turn A plus B, same as what? B plus A, which is commutative over each other. Now, since I know that, I can easily say that which I'll be talking about. Okay. Now, it means I'll be talking about 4 root of sec square theta. Root for sec square theta, which is this is equal to what I've explained here. Now, since I have that, I can now say that come back to the normal part, which is going to be what? Don't forget that 2x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 1 equals to something, which is 2x plus 1 equals to what is that substitution? Equals to 4 times theta. Now, 2 dx equals to 4 sec square theta d theta. What am I just doing there? I'm differentiating. Now, it means my dx will be equals to 2 sec square theta d theta. I've divided this by 2, by 2, which is going to be like that. Now, since I have that, I can now say that what I need is available. Yes. Yes. Integral of the x will be equals to root of 4x squared plus 4x plus 17, which it will now implies, which is it will be equals to, I need to put everything that I have to put them together to become 1. Okay, I think which I will be saying that integral of what is my d theta? My dx is equals to, it means 2 sec squared d theta. Now, what is this? That is that it will be equals to everything here become what? Sec. 4 sec. It will be equals to 4 sec, which is 4 sec. Yes, 4 sec. Sorry, 4 sec theta. It means divided by 4 sec theta. Now, this we cancel this. Now, left with what? 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2 integral of what? Sec theta d theta. Now, if I integrate sec theta, it will give me 1 all over 2 ln of and absolute value. If I want to, I think it's good to put absolute sec theta plus what? Tan theta absolute value plus what? Plus k. That is. Now, it's not bad to put those things in order. Don't forget 1 all over 2 ln of integral. What is my sec? My sec theta. What is my sec theta? I think I've done that earlier. Which is my sec theta is equals to everything I'm having here, which is going to be what? 2x, or let me put from the function 4x squared plus 4x plus 17 plus, what is my tan theta? My tan theta is equals to 2x plus 1 divided by 4. Yes, divided by 4. Now, absolute value plus k. That's my final answer. That's my final answer. Yes, that is my final answer. Okay, that is what I have for you. Don't forget, I will be stopping here because of our time. Don't forget, you are on with Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.